everyone, and welcome back to Keyboard Shortcuts on TJ's Tech Corner. This is the second episode of the series. Please keep in mind that I'm still navigating through my Chromebook to show you more keyboard shortcuts. Alright, let's jump right in. First, to open the link in the new tab, hold down Control and then click on the link like this. Please keep in mind that after you open the link, it opens in the background in a new tab, so you're going to have to click on it to view it. You can also open the link in a new window. To do that, hold down Shift and then click on the link. This way, you can open multiple links in the same window that are similar to each other. Secondly, let's say you are reading your article like this one, and it's too hard to read because the words are too small. You can hold down Control and then hit the plus key to zoom in. But if you zoom in too far, you can hold down Control and hit the minus key to zoom out. Three notes about this feature is it might take a couple of seconds for the website to zoom after you zoom, especially if it has ads. Secondly, some websites do not support zoom. Lastly, you can zoom out up to 25% and zoom in up to 500%. You can also go back to 100% by clicking on the magnifying glass icon that appears in the top bar and then clicking Reset. This last keyboard shortcut will only work on Chromebooks. So let's say you have to turn in something quickly, but you don't have that much time. If you want to go to all your apps, you can hit the search key, which is the magnifying glass icon on your keyboard, and then click on this arrow that pops up. But you can get past that window by holding down Shift and then pressing on the search key. It will immediately take you to all your apps. That's all for today. Please hit like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next week.